Hi, my name is Rob. Thanks for clicking on to Walking in Los Angeles. This is my weight loss journal here on YouTube. My current curb weight in June of 2022 is 260 pounds. You'll see that on this thermometer on the homepage of my YouTube channel, Walking in Los Angeles. You can see I've lost a little weight already. That was about a year ago. Now I've been holding at 260 for about a year, and things need to change. I hate the gym for many reasons, so I avoid them like the virus. Most walks are on flat, even ground here in Venice Beach or the surrounding area. My mission is to lose about 25 pounds before the end of 2022 by eating right, getting fresh air and exercise by walking about 10,000 steps a day here in the beach community near Venice, California. All my walks are on flat, even ground and have no steps or stairs. This makes them friendly for walkers, wheelchairs, and strollers. If a walk is not wheelchair accessible, it'll be marked as such in the upper left corner at the beginning of the video. Not many of those, though. Otherwise, you should have no trouble following me on any of these walks in Venice Beach, California. Here are my before and after pictures. Don't I look good in black? They say black is slimming. What do you think? So, if you'd like to take a walk on Venice Beach, click on one of the videos and follow me as I walk on the beach in Walking in Los Angeles.